Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil on a BMW X5. First, gather your supplies: a new oil filter, fresh engine oil, a drain pan, and the correct wrenches. Always ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and securely supported by jack stands. Safety is paramount when working under any car. This process is straightforward and can save you money, giving you peace of mind. Begin by warming up your engine for about 5 to 10 minutes. This helps the old oil flow more freely. Position your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug. Using the correct wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be prepared for the oil to come out quickly. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 15 minutes. Once the old oil has drained, remove the old oil filter housing and replace the filter element and O-rings. Reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it to the manufacturer's specified torque, usually around 25 Newton meters. Now, carefully add the new engine oil through the filler cap, typically around 9 quarts for a BMW X5. After refilling, start your engine and let it run for a few minutes. Check for any leaks around the drain plug and filter housing. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level on your dipstick, adding more if needed. Finally, reset your oil service indicator through the vehicle's iDrive system. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a great book and other helpful deals. This simple maintenance extends your vehicle's life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.